that hold great meaning for us. 79th Independence Day, a day when our nation broke free from British rule, and the feast of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, a very special day for Christians around the world. Though these occasions are different in nature, they share a powerful message, that is freedom. Independence Day symbolizes our freedom as a nation and the values we must continue to protect, while Mary's Assumption represents spiritual freedom and eternal hope. We all know that India gained independence at a great cost. It was earned by the sacrifices of countless freedom fighters who lived and died with unwavering moral courage. But their fight wasn't just for political freedom. It was also for truth, justice, equality, and unity. Once a teacher wrote on the blackboard, "Freedom is the right to live with dignity." All the students looked at it quietly, except for a curious boy who raised his hand. "Ma'am," he asked, "what does dignity mean?" The teacher smiled and picked up a piece of chalk in her hand. "This chalk," she said, "is like our freedom. It writes, it creates, it teaches. But one day, imagine someone tries to break it, silence it, or throw it away." Then she broke the chalk in two and continued writing on the blackboard again with a broken piece. "It still writes. Even if it is broken, it keeps doing its duty." Then she looked at the class and said, "Many people fought for our freedom. Some were silenced, some were hurt, some even killed. But they did not stop. Like this chalk, they kept going. That is dignity. That is courage. That is our true freedom." Today, our real tribute to them is not only in celebrating this day, but in living by the values they stood for. Values that Mother Mary lived through. Let me talk about a few such values that we as students must uphold. Truth and honesty were the mark of our leaders. Mahatma Gandhi led our freedom movement with the power of truth and non-violence. Even today, honesty is one of the strongest foundations of a good citizen. Whether it's being honest in our studies or owning up to our mistakes, truth builds trust, and trust builds the nation. Respect for all. Our nation is diverse, different languages, religions, and cultures. We always repeat the slogan, "We are one India." We have to respect our teachers, classmates, helpers, and people of all backgrounds. True freedom means respecting others' rights while enjoying our own. One thing our great leaders always underlined was unity and brotherhood. We must rise above differences and live with a sense of unity. The strength of our country lies in our togetherness. Looking at the present situation of our nation, arise in me a big question. Are we truthful to the saying we are one? Do we all consider as brothers and sisters? Do we respect one another, other religion, caste and creed? If yes, why such wrong allegations arose recently against the missionaries in North and imprisoned them for no reason? How many types of injustice are taking place in today's India? We need to reflect seriously and raise our voice for justice. We need to strive to preserve the values with our leaders which they left behind. It is our responsibility of every citizen to build the nation with justice and sincerity. As students, our first duty is to be disciplined and sincere. Let's not waste our time. Let's not damage our school property or hurt others with our words and actions. Responsible behavior makes us reliable citizens. Let's always be grateful to our parents, leaders, teachers, soldiers, farmers, and every person who works for the betterment of our country. Gratitude inspires service. Even helping a friend in need or planting a tree can be a small act of national service. Dear students, our freedom is not complete until every child is educated, until every citizen is treated equally, and every corner of India sees progress. The future of our nation depends on us, the students, the youth, and the next generation. So, on this 79th Independence Day and the feast of Mother Mary, let us pledge to be not only good students, but also good human beings, guided by truth, respect, compassion, responsibility, and unity. May we be inspired by Mother Mary's virtues and our national heroes to live with integrity, compassion, and courage. Let me end with a beautiful line. Freedom is not the right to do what we please, but the opportunity to do what is right. I repeat, freedom is not the right to do what we please, but the opportunity to do what is right. Thank you, and once again, Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.